Welcome to the session. Today we're going to see NEET 2021 Botany Answer Key discussion. First we're going to see question number 101. Which of the following statement is not correct? So pyramid is a number of in a grassland ecosystem is upright is the first option. Pyramid of biomass in a sea is generally inverted. And pyramid of biomass is C in generally upright. And pyramid of energy is always upright. So in the four options, so now we're going to see what is exactly the right option which is not correct. Statement is not correct in this particular question. So in this particular question you can see idhula pathinga appadina, so figure number 7.9 in the textbook of Principles of Ecology, you can see the ecology chapters learning the question ketirukanga. And here in this particular structure உங்களுக்கு தெரியுது இல்லைங்களா, so the producers, herbivores and T3 secondary consumers and T4 tertiary consumers. And இதுல பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா you can see the pyramids of biomass, dry weight per unit in area, different types of ecosystem which is upright. எதுல இருக்கு? Upright is a grassland ecosystem and B is a forest ecosystem. So the upright la irukra ecosystem grassland forest ecosystem and inverted edula present aayirukku pathina pond ecosystem, that means aquatic ecosystem. So in the question enna ketirukanga appdin pathina, which of the following statement is not correct? So pyramid of biomass is in C generally upright. So here now we're going to talk about pyramid of biomass in C is generally upright. Pyramid of biomass enga present aayirukku, you can see they are pyramid of biomass which is upright. So pyramid of numbers in grassland ecosystem is upright and pyramid of biomass in C generally inverted present aayirukungla. And here the pyramid of energy is always upright. Energy is always upright, but pyramid of biomass in C is generally upright nu kuduthirukanga. In C nu kuduthirukanga, C naale adu aquatic ecosystem. So aquatic ecosystem and inverted the correct answer. So that generally pyramid in biomass is generally upright is not correct in this statement. So we'll move on to the one or two questions now. So which of the following plant is monoecious? So Cycas sarcinalis, Sarsica papaya and Cara and Maxentia polymorpha. So these are all the plants is example kuduthirukanga. Options நாலு ஆப்ஷன்ஸ்ல இருக்கு. இதுல monoecious plants and the plants னு கேக்குறாங்க. So இதுல monoecious பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா Cycas sarcinalis Cycadaceae family is a dioecious plant. So dioecious monoecious you already aware of it, right? ஒரு particular plant systemல male reproductive organ and female reproductive organ இது presence இருக்கிறத பேஸ் பண்ணி monoecious dioecious பிரிச்சிருக்காங்க. So the Scarsia papaya dioecious and Cycas sarcinalis is dioecious. So Maxentia polymorpha is a dioecious species having male and female organs in different thallus structuresல present ஆயிருக்கிற male and female gamete. So idhula pathina right answer edana Gara. So the Gara is the which of the following plant is monoecious. So matta moonu plants vandu dioecious endradanaala Gara is the right answer. So now we'll move on to the third question, 103 number. So the first stable product of CO2 fixation in sorghum is, so the option is phosphoglyceric acid, pyruvic acid, oxaloacetic acid and succinic acid. So one by one we're going to see. So first we're going to find what is exactly the answer is. So in the question pathinga appadina CO2 fixation, the CO2 fixation when it takes place, CO2 fixation takes place when the photosynthesis process takes place. So here in the sorghum அப்படின்ற plant வந்து என்ன types of plant என்றத first நம்ம பார்க்கணும். So sorghum வந்து என்ன type பாத்தீங்க அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா pathway of these plants are called as C4 plants. So sugarcane, maize, sorghum இது எல்லாமே C4 plantsல comes under the list of plantsல வர ஒரு particular group of plants. அவங்களோட C4 photosynthesis classify பண்ணலாம் C3, C4 and normal photosynthesis. So the C4 types of plants doing such work. So the sorghum என்றது வந்து C4 plantsல வரதுனால, so இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா you can see the PEP carboxylase enzyme act as a carbon dioxide acceptor. In the PEP carboxylase enzyme acting as a carbon dioxide acceptor and forms a oxaloacetic acid or a malic acid, which is the first stable product of the reaction taking over inside this reaction. In the இது வந்து crescellation acid metabolism அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க. In the Kame cycle figure number 13-19 ல photosynthesis chapter ல state board book ல present ஆயிருக்கு. So you can see this Calvin cycle over here. Okay, and here the malate is converted into malic acid in the vacuole of these things. PEX carboxylase is converted into malate and malic acid. Finally, here you can see the malate dehydrogenase enzyme is involved in that. So, idellame pathing abdina is a closed stomatal nadakra reaction, the open stomatal nadakra reaction. So, idu vandu pathing abdina you can see this particular action is taking over inside of a sorghum plant. Sorghum plant belongs to C4 plant. So, oxaloacidic. Option 3 is the right answer. Now we'll move on to the 104 question. Diadelphous stamens are found in. So China rose and citrus la present ayirka. China rose or citrus or pea plant la present ayirka. So diadelphous into the first end into the stamen. Stamen means what exactly? It represent male reproductive organ reference பண்றாங்க. ஒரு plant பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் sexual reproduction processல angiospermsல stamen அப்படினாலே male reproductive organs ரெஃபர் பண்றாங்க. So இதுல பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா diadelphous filamentous of stamens cornate into two bundles. So examples என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க Fabaceae, pea plant and clitoria. So pea plant வந்து diadelphous கான example னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So இது state board bookல present ஆயிருக்கு students. So the diadelphous you can see the pea plant is example. So option 4 P is the right answer. So now we'll move on to the 105 question. So DNA strands on a gel staining with the ethidium bromide when viewed under UV radiation appear as. So ஒரு DNA strands gel stain பண்றப்போ அந்த DNA strands ethidium bromide கூட view பண்றப்போ UV radiationல எப்படி அது appear ஆகும் அப்படினு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Bright blue bands yellow bands bright orange band and dark red bands. So இந்த நாலு ஆப்ஷன்ஸ்ல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா bands of DNA in agarose gel electrophoresis instrumentல யூஸ் பண்றப்ப பாத்தீங்கன்னா the staining dye process is ethidium bromide. So the stained with dye called ethidium bromide. இது bands of DNA என்ன பண்ணும் இந்த ஜெல்லுல fluorescence light orange fluorescence light convert பண்ணிடும். So that we can visible the bands of DNA which are separated. So separate ஆன DNA என்ன பண்ணலாம் நம்ம visible பார்க்க முடியும். So the bands of DNA gel electrophoresis processல இந்த ஒரு particular unit. This was located in the textbook of State Board syllabus and this is the right answer which is here bright orange band. நீங்க பார்க்கறீங்க இல்லையா bright orange bandல. So now we'll move on to the next question. So 106 plants follow the different pathways in response to environment or phases of life to form a different kinds of structures. This ability is called. So the maturity ன்னு சொல்றாங்களா elasticity or flexibility or plasticity. So இதுல வந்து ஆப்ஷன் எதுன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா the plants are exposed to the heterogeneity in the environment where the new stress factors நியூவா ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் வந்து பிளான்ட்ஸ்க்கு அக்குமுலேட் ஆகுதுன்னா அந்த இடத்துல climate சேஞ்சோ the land use சேஞ்சோ நடக்கிறப்போ you can see the plasticity is actually the phenotypic is kind of a major means by which plants can cope with the environmental factors variability. Environmental factors, environmental ecosystem நடக்கிற factors or the changes adapt ஆகிற ஒரு particular information is comes into the list of plasticity. So the plasticity option 4 is the right answer. Now we'll move on to the 107 question. So in this particular question match list 1 with list 2. So list 1 ல என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க list 2 ல என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க protoplast fusion totipotency plant tissue culture pomato and meristem culture soma clones and micropropagation virus free plants. So இதுல options கீழ உங்களுக்கு இருக்கு இல்லீங்களா 1 2 3 4 where ABC is connected with it and now we're going to discuss about. So option 3 ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா right answer option 3. So pomato is nothing but the grafted types of plant combined with the tomato and potato. So grafted, grafting and layering, these are all the types of cropping method where we can see the asexual reproduction process la vara oru process. So totipotency is nothing but the entire the X plant which became the entire plant in the plant tissue culture process. So the plant tissue culture process la entire ஒரு particular organism create பண்றோம் இல்லீங்களா அதுதான் totipotency சொல்லுவோம் ஒரு எக்ஸ்பிளான்ட்க்கு இருக்கிற ஒரு particular ability. So virus free plants can be easily produced from the particular region where we going to talk about it. Meristem cultures மூலமா என்ன பண்ணலாம் நம்ம virus free plants create பண்ணலாம். So soma clones are here the genetically identical plants. So genetically identical plants can be created from the micropropagation. These are all the information that comes under the list of plant tissue culture. So in the plant tissue culture is based பண்ணி வந்த இந்த questionல பாத்தீங்கன்னா option 3 is the right answer. Now we'll move on to the question number 108. So in the equation gross primary production minus R is equal to net primary production. I mean GPB minus R is equal to NPP. or இதில் என்ன represent பண்றாங்க அப்படின்றது question. இதில் respiration loss radiant energy retardation factor environmental factor so இதில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா autotrophic respiratory losses associated with the metabolism of stored carbon compounds. So autotrophicல வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா autotrophic mode of nutrition takes place in plants. So the respiratory lossல create ஆகிற அந்த ஒரு metabolism processல stored with the carbon compounds information. So respiration loss மூலமா தான் option 1 respiration loss இந்த or என்ன பண்றாங்க represent பண்றாங்க. இதுல net primary productivity ல gross primary productivity ல respiration loss போனதுக்கு அப்புறமா தான் net primary productivity rate வந்து increase ஆகும் result கிடைக்கும் அப்படின்றது option. So option 1 is the right answer. Now we'll move on to the 109. The production of gametes by the parents, the formation of zygotes of the F1 and F2 plants can be understood from a diagram called. So the production of gametes by parents. So the sexual reproduction la gamete production la irukra indha or process la zygote produce agum illingla idula first generation second generation F1 F2 that can be understood from a diagram called. Endha madri diagram la நம்ம understand பண்ணலாம் gametes production பண்றது parents கிட்ட இருந்து net square Punnett square Punnett square Punnett square. In the particular question you can see this particular question is present inside of a textbook of classical genetics where the genetic cross genotypes and phenotypes offspring resulting in combining during fertilization of easily understood with the help of diagram called Punnett square. So in the particular line itself is present inside the state board syllabus and in this picture is called 2.6 monohybrid cross kind of Mendelian laws la neenga adha paakalam. So the Punnett square மூலமா தான் we can confirm that kind of a gametes which are involved in that with the help of the easily understood the what are all the types of gametes can be easily illustrated. Any type of gametes idhula produce ஆகும்ன்றதை நம்ம ஈஸியா என்ன பண்ணலாம் Punnett square formation மூலமா create பண்ணிடலாம். So option 4 Punnett square is the right answer. Now we will move on to the 110 question. Which of the following is an incorrect statement? Nuclear pores that act as a passage for proteins and RNA molecules in both directions between the nucleus and cytoplasm, and mature sieve tubes elements possess a conspicuous nucleus and usual cytoplasmic organelles, and microbodies are present both in plant and animal cells. The perinuclear space forms a barrier between the maternal parent and enters the nucleus and that of a cytoplasm. In the null options la end option correct on options I mean end the options incorrect statement irukku in the particular question endradha nama paakalam. So the mature sieve tube nucleus is absent where it contains a lining layer of cytoplasm. So in the particular question answer enga irukku pathina state board textbook la different types of phloem elements la irukku. So figure 9.1 you can see. So the mature sieve tube elements possess a conspicuous nucleus as well as the cytoplasmic organelles. So mature tube elements enga present ஆயிருக்குன்னு சொல்றாங்க nucleus idhula absent ன்னு சொல்றாங்க. So idhula வந்து incorrect statement என்னது option 2 where we can see the mature tube elements possess conspicuous nucleus and usual cytoplasmic elements. But here in this book you can see in the textbook la பாத்தீங்கன்னா nucleus is absent and contains lining layer of cytoplasm என்றது mention பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So இதுல இருந்து we can easily illustrate the option 2 is the right answer where the question is incorrect statement is involved in that. So now we'll move on to the 111 question. So the lenticles, phalogen, cork cambium, suberin deposition, secondary cortex and exchange of gases, and cork and phallodome. So idhula vandu match list 1 list 2 oda nama match pannanom. So list 1 list 2 oda match panna endha option correct ah varudhu pathinga appadina option 3 is the correct answer where it going to be exchange of gases, phalogen, phallodome and suberin deposition. So lenticles na enna nu pathinga appadina secondary growth create agra oru structure. Idu enna pannum appdin pathina the location where the body is produced the secondary growth promotes the gas exchange, carbon dioxide, water vapor in the மாதிரியான functions நடக்கும். And phalogen is the kind of a region where the cork cambium is the source of a productive tissue replace the second epidermis in the secondary growth. So adu inga nadakkum. And phallodome is the parenchymatous tissue. So it's a kind of a tissue where we can see in the secondary cortex regions la. And cork tissue la enna present aayirukkom alternating layers of suberin and wax present aayirukkum. It consists of the dead cells. So these are all the informations which correct option is option 3 where we can talk about it. So next question we're going to talk about which is 112 the amount of nutrients such as a carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus and calcium present in the soil at any given time is referred as. So the standing crop, climaxa, climax community or standing state. So இது வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா standing state is defined as the amount of inorganic nutrition present in the ecosystem. So இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா question you can see the amount of nutrition such as a carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, calcium present in soil and given item is referred to as. So inorganic, what are all the information? Inorganic nutrients which are all present in the ecosystem is a standing state. So option 4 is the right answer. So the term, next question students, 113, the term used for the transfer of pollen grains from anthers one plant to stigma of a different plant which during pollination brings genetically different types of pollen grains to the stigma. In the genetically different types of pollen tube to the stigma region. So stigma regions la pollen grains வந்து விழுதுதானே pollination. So இது என்ன types of information கேக்குறாங்க? Transfer of pollen grains from anthers to one plant to the stigma region. And the during pollinations la genetically different types of pollen grains create பண்றது எது அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. சரிங்களா? So genetically different types of pollen tubes are which types of information, which is clastogamia and xenogamy, gatianogamy, chasmogamy. So now நம்ம evidence பார்க்கலாம். This is also the kind of a words paragraph information which is present inside the textbook of a state board botany. And here the gatianogamy region, xenogamy is located over here. When the pollen genetically different deposits on another flower of a different of the same species. So in the process the xenogamy அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. So here what is the question? The end types of brings genetically different types of pollen grains. So we can find the evidence that this particular notes is present inside of this syllabus. So xenogamy to option 2 is the right answer. Now we'll move on to the 114 question, which is of the following stages of meiosis division of centromere. And telophase 2, metaphase 1, metaphase 2 and anaphase 2. So in the particular questions la பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா anaphase 2 இருக்கிற informations இருக்கு இல்லையா, telophase இருக்கு, and this is the significance information comes under the list of the images of the meiosis division. And இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு எல்லா stages of informations locate ஆயிருக்கு. இந்த ஒரு particular information is also evidence present inside the state book. So here what is the option is right answer? Answer 4, anaphase 2. So anaphase 2 where we can see the sister chromatids are separated and the daughter chromosomes to the opposite poles due to shortening of spindle fibers. So centromere of each chromosome split. So அது allow பண்ணுது towards opposite pole ku move ஆகி sister chromatids create ஆகிறதுக்கு. So what is exactly the question here? Which of the stages meiosis division of centromere? Centromere division ஆகிறது எந்த ஸ்டேஜ்ல கேட்டிருக்காங்க? அது anaphase 2 where we talked about. Anaphase 2 is option 4. So is this evident present inside of a state book? You can see that. So now 115, which of the following is the correct sequence of the steps in PCR? So PCR is the polymerase chain reaction. So polymerase chain reactions எங்க பார்க்கலாம் அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா molecular genetics chapter la neenga paakalam. So PCR is the amplification process of any genetic material that we want to detect and find ஒரு gene sequence நம்ம புதுசா enter பண்றோம்னா அந்த gene sequence அதுல present ஆயிருக்கா, host regionsல அது vector மூலமா போய் சேர்ந்துருச்சா அப்படின்றது PCR amplification process மூலமா பண்ணி நம்ம detect பண்ண முடியும். So the options are PCR, polymerase chain reaction, the common laboratory technique to use to make a copies of a millions of a particular regions of a DNA. So in the particular information is also present inside of a state board syllabus. So in the booklet information now you can see, right? So the denaturation, annealing process, extension process. So idu vandu pathina denaturation process, double stranded DNA is converted into the single stranded by cleaving that, and annealing stage where it starts to produce attached with the primer creating a complementary strands of DNA create agi extending stage la enna agudhu, they will creating a new types of information amplification process. So that is the denaturation, annealing and extension process. So the option for 2 is the right answer. So next question 116, when the gene targeting involving a gene amplification is attempted in individual tissue to treat disease, it's known as. So safety testing, biopiracy, gene therapy, molecular diagnosis. So இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா you can see the gene therapy location. இதுல வந்து gene therapy location எங்க present ஆயிருக்கு, gene therapy informations வந்து text bookல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. And you can see that gene therapy how important is important topic in biotechnology as well as the molecular genetics information uses. So what is exactly here? The option 3 is the right answer, which is gene therapy. So gene therapy is where we can talk about the gene according to the gene variations. So என்ன மாதிரியான ஒரு particular cloning process மூலமாவோ இல்ல ஒரு வெக்டார் மூலமாகவோ ஒரு particular diseaseக்கு genetical disorders-க்கு என்ன பண்ணலாம் gene therapy மூலமா we can find the 100% cure. So based on that the gene therapy process will occur. So we are using vectors as a microorganisms to insert those targeted gene into the infected person's DNA and make the conversion of those அங்க இருக்கிற nucleic acids nuclear materials convert பண்றதுக்கான ஒரு structures நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம் gene therapy மூலமா கொண்டு போயிட்டு அதை cure பண்ணலாம். So in the evidence you can see this particular information is present inside of a gene therapy information is the textbook of a state board. So the gene therapy is the right answer for 116 question. So now we'll move on to the 117. So the cristae, primary constriction of chromosome and thylakoids and disc-shaped Saxon apparatus, centromere, unfolding mitochondria and cisternase, flattened membrane Saxon stroma of plastids. Idhula correct options வந்து என்ன அப்படினு choose the correct options கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So now we'll move on to the option 4 is the right answer, which is infolding in bacteria. Infolding in bacteria is this cristae is where we can see the bacteria is where the cristae is infolding in mitochondria region and where we can see the thylakoids region which flattened membrane Saxon stroma of the plastids. So plastids la chloroplast la present ஆயிருக்கிற இந்த thylakoid regions are flattened membranes and Saxon stroma plastids are thylakoid regions, circular regions arranged in the value arranged in the linear form of chains மூலமா one by one அது ஒன்னு மேல ஒன்னு arranged ஆயி present ஆயிருக்கும். So here the primary constriction of the chromosome. So centromere where we can see it separates the chromatid structure and creating a entire structure of chromosome is the primary construction of chromosome we can see. Cisternae where we can see disc-shaped Saxon Golgi apparatus. So Golgi apparatus is one of the most important cell organelle இல்லையா? So the DNA molecules which are all creating a proteins, the nucleus create பண்ற proteins formulate பண்ற work by Golgi apparatus. So the Golgi apparatus இருக்குல ஒரு structure இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா அதுதான் cisternae. So the cisternae which is எப்படி present ஆயிருக்கும் disc-shaped Saxon Golgi apparatus. So option 4 is the right answer. Now we'll move on to the 118 question. So the factor that leads to the founder effect in population. So the founder effect யாரு population அப்படின்றது கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Genetic drift, natural selection, genetic recombination and mutation. So we're going to talk about that. So random fluctuations in the numbers of gene variants in a population. It's loss of genetic variation that occurs when the new population is established. So random fluctuations வந்து எங்க create ஆகும் number of gene variation present ஆயிருக்கிற இடத்துல populationsல. So what is exactly the genetic drift is the right answer for this particular explanations. And 118 option is 1 is the right answer. Now we'll move on to the when the centromere is situated in the middle of the two equal arms of the chromosome is referred as. So the two arms in சொல்றாங்க இல்லையா the chromatids and the chromatidsல எங்க locate ஆயிருந்தா என்ன types of information ன்றத கேட்டிருக்காங்க. In acrocentrica, metacentrica, telocentrica, submetacentrica. So இதுல submetacentrica, telocentrica, metacentrica, acrocentrica நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். So in the types of question க்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா you can see the evidence it's located inside of the cell organelles chapterல present ஆயிருக்கிற types of chromosome pictures or the killer explanations you can see it. The telocentric, acrocentric and metacentric, submetacentric and figure 6.24ல நீங்க explanations பார்க்கலாம். It's state board bookல present ஆயிருக்கிற syllabus. So the types of chromosome in the centromere plays a very important role for the types of chromosome structure. So what is exactly the right answer over here? The metacentric. So metacentric inga present ஆயிருக்குங்களா? So the telocentric, acrocentric, metacentricல submetacentric, metacentric two types இருக்கு. Centromere subterminal and metacentric is centromere is median. So median sizeல present ஆயிருக்கும். So the situated in the middle of the two equal arms is option you can see. So option 2 is the right answer, metacentric. So we'll move on to the question number 120. So gamete are present in time. Gamete என்ன மாதிரியான ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா they are asexual buds produced in a kind of a group of plants. So அது liverwortsல இருக்கா, mosesல இருக்கா, pteridophytes and gymnospermsல இருக்கான்னு பார்க்கலாம். So gamete is a kind of a multicellular asexual buds which develop in a receptacle called gamma cups. இது எங்க லொகேட் ஆயிருக்கு thalar regionsல, thallus types of structures you can see over here. Can you see over here the gamma cup region and this is located inside of a liverworts. This comes under the list of the bryobites. So the option 1 is the right answer. Now we'll move on to the 121 question. During purification of the recombinant DNA technology, addition of chilled ethanol precipitates out. So addition of chilled ethanol precipitate ஆகிறது DNA recombinant technologyல purification process பண்றப்போ ஒரு particular recombinant DNA technologyல first நம்ம ஒரு DNA ஐசோலேட் பண்ணுவோம். அந்த ஐசோலேட் பண்ண DNA purified இருக்கா அப்படின்றத செக் பண்றதுக்கு precipitate பண்றதுக்காக chilled ethanol என்ற types of information add பண்றோம் இல்லையா so அது வந்து எதை precipitate பண்ணுது purification processல polysaccharides RNA DNA histones so now we'll move on to so here you can see the precipitated DNA you can see the structures over here right so before adding ethanol எப்படி locate ஆயிருக்கு இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா DNA structures precipitate ஆயிடுச்சு so the electrical attraction between the phosphate groups of any positive ions present in the solution becomes strong enough to form a stable ionic bonds during the DNA precipitation process. So chilled ethanol present ஆயிருக்கிறதுனால you can see the DNA only is getting precipitated. So option 3 is the right answer. Now we'll move on to the question number 122. So cohesion, adhesion, surface tension, guttation, where more attraction in liquid phase, mutual attraction of among water molecules and water in liquid phase, water loss in liquid phase and attraction towards polar surface so in the particular question vandu pathina it comes under the list of transport in plants or plant kulla root system stem region leaf region ku plant water system occurred agi plant kulla root system மூலமா எப்படி எல்லாம் water move ஆகுது அப்படிங்கறது ஒரு particular process அதோட theory principles தான் இதெல்லாம் cohesion adhesion surface tension guttation எல்லாமே இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா you can see the cohesion adhesion where you can transpiration pull theories comes under the list of so in the evidence பாத்தீங்கன்னா textbookல present ஆயிருக்கு so guttation process is also being part of this particular information so the transpiration pull theory which comes under the list of cohesion adhesion region cohesion tension and adhesion is also located so mutual attraction between the among water molecules attraction towards polar surface and more attraction in liquid phase and water loss in liquid phase so option 2 is the right answer now we'll move on to the 123 question where the site of perception of light in plants during photoperiodism leaf shoot effects stem and axillary bud so the lead site of perception of light in plants during photoperiodism is leaf la irukka shoot effects like photoperiodism nadakuma and stem region axillary bud so idhula vandu pathinga appadina you can see that during flowering process photoperiodic stimulus perceived by leaves of plants as a result of this floral hormone is produced in the leaves so ஒரு particular regions la எந்த இடத்துல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா லைட் அதிகமா பெனிட்ரேட் ஆகுதோ லைட் அதிகமா உள்ள வரதோ அந்த பிளான்ட் இருக்கிற இடத்துக்கு அந்த ஒரு பர்టిక్యులர் ரீஜன்ஸ்க்கு என்ன பண்ணுவோம் அந்த டுவர்ட்ஸ் that light particles which comes அந்த டைரக்ஷன்ல தான் என்ன பண்ணும் அந்த leaf ஓட structures grow ஆக ஆரம்பிக்கும் leaf primordia will started over there for a growing process so the option 1 leaf is the right answer now we'll move on to the question number 24 the plant hormone used to destroy the weeds in a field so the weeds unwanted crops unwanted plants present in the crop agricultural area that weeds and the weeds destroy பண்றதுக்கு plant hormone எது யூஸ் பண்றாங்க IBA IAA naphthalenic acylic acid indole acetic acid and 2,4-D dichlorophenoxy so இதுவா அப்படின்றத பார்க்கலாம் so the 2,4-D dichlorophenoxy acid is the right answer is the most common among chlorophenoxy herbicides are used பண்றாங்க where we can talk about it targets the uncontrollable and lethal growth in target plants so the analogs of auxin the chemicals the analogs of auxin ஆவும் herbicides ஆவும் என்ன பண்றாங்க யூஸ் பண்றாங்க so the 2,4-dichlorophenoxy acetic acid is also be common so 2,4-dichlorophenoxy acid is actually you can see option 4 is the right answer so 125th question we're going to talk about it so which of the following algae produce carrageenan economic importance of algae la pathina nariya types of algae are doing such economic very important they are very important in economic level so adula vandu pathina enna types of industrial products create agudhu enna types of algae endradhu in the question so carrageenan region carrageenan என்ற ஒரு particular chemical extract பண்றாங்க அது blue green algae va green algae va brown algae va red algae va so now we're going to talk about that so economic importance of algae la vandu pathina you can see where the carrageenan is located over here so carrageenan enga present பண்றாங்க Chondrus crypsis so Chondrus crypsis is one of the red algae so option 4 is the right answer you can see the evidence is located inside of a textbook of shadeboard இல்லீங்களா so now 126 question நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம் complete the flow chart of central dogma what exactly you can see how exactly the cell is creating the protein structures the protein structures எப்படி create பண்ணுது அந்த protein structures எப்படி create ஆகும் அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா நியூக்ளியர்ல இருந்து ஒரு டிசைட் பண்ற authorities create ஆகும் அந்த டிசைட் பண்ற authority mRNA ஆவும் piece of RNA ஆவும் நியூக்ளியர் போர் மூலமா வெளியில வந்து அது transcription process translation process convert ஆகறப்போ so the DNA will create a RNA or mRNA it's transcription process அந்த mRNA வை RNA cytoplasm region க்கு வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறமா you can see they are producing a protein structure with the helping of ribosomal RNA and the ribosomes. So either use பண்ணி வந்து proteins produce பண்றாங்க. இந்த ஒரு particular process where the DNA is going for a mRNA and what is exactly the kind of content located. So இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த ஒரு particular evidence is located over here, the transcription process. So the transcription processல 5.9ல state board syllabusல நீங்க பார்க்கலாம். So where we can talk about the central dogma information is comes into the list of molecular basis of genetics. I mean molecular genetics la neenga paaka mudiyum. So the DNA is undergoing for the RNA and protein structures will be created, and the replication process. So the replication process la create agra or particular information. So DNA is undergoing for the RNA structures and then translate agi proteins appdi create பண்றாங்க அந்த process தான். So இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா replication process A and B transcription process நடக்குது and translation நடக்குது. Finally the result is protein. So in the evidence kind of questions you can see the answer is located inside of a molecular genetics lesson. So now we'll move on to the 127. So which of the following are not secondary metabolites in plants? So rubber gums, morphine, codeine, amino acids, glucose and vinstablins and curcumin. So இதெல்லாமே secondary metabolites. எது வந்து இதுல secondary metabolites இல்ல அப்படினு கேக்குறாங்க. So இதுல இருக்குது 1 2 3 4 ஆப்ஷன்ஸ்ல secondary metabolites கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So இதுல ஏதோ ஒன்னு வந்து அப்ப primary metabolites ஆ இருக்கணும் இல்ல other chemicals ஆ இருக்கணும் இல்லைங்களா? So now we're going to talk about that. So இந்த ஒரு particular information is also present inside the evidence of the state board syllabus book, and இதுல metabolites இருக்கு, இங்க examples இருக்கு. So இது எல்லாமே metabolites which are primary and these are all the secondary. இதுல primaryல உங்களுக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா amino acids வருது, proline, leucine, protease and acidic lactic acid, organic acids எல்லாமே வருது. So இதுல secondaryல பாத்தீங்கன்னா you can see the morphine, codeine region, and you can see all the drugs which is lectins, toxins, essential oils, alkaloids எல்லாமே லொகேட் ஆயிருக்கு இல்லீங்களா? So இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா gums கூட present ஆயிருக்கு பாருங்க. So curcumin is also present over here. So which option is actually, you can see the option 3, amino acids, glucose are all common primary metabolites. So the metabolic reactions will give you some metabolites which is primary and secondary, and primary metabolites la dhaan pathina amino acids, glucose maintain agum. Edukku pathina basic on life activities, the energy will produce from the glucose and amino acids will go for acting as a catalyst for many reactions. So option 3 is the right answer. Now we'll move on to the 128th question. In spite of interspecific competition in nature, and which mechanism is the competing species might have evolved for the survival? So in spite of interspecific competition in nature, interspecific competition இருக்கிற ஒரு நேச்சர்ல which mechanism, எந்த mechanism வந்து competing speciesக்கு evolved ஆகி survive ஆகிறதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகுதுன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. இதுல predation, resource partitioning, competitive release and mutualism. இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா you can see the resource partitioning in option 2 is the right answer. Resource partitioning என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா the mechanism to avoid competition between two species which rely on the same resource. ஒரே same resource, same natural resource ecosystem depend பண்ணி இருக்கிற ஒரு particular species வந்து two different types of species குள்ள different types of feeding process, pattern of wild food search for the help of suitable information, and that is also being in the population growth curve la logistic la அவங்க role play பண்றாங்க. So resource partishing is the right option. Is this option 2 is the right answer. So now we'll move on to the 129 question. So which of the following is not an application of PCR polymerase chain reaction? So detection of gene mutation, molecular diagnosis and gene amplification and purification of isolated proteins. Which of the following is not an application of PCR? PCR la இருக்கிற applicationsல இங்க இருக்கிற 4 optionsல எது அதோட application கிடையாது? Detection of gene mutation, molecular diagnosis பண்ற work, DNA genes amplification பண்ற process, and purification of isolated proteins. Isolation of proteins are purified. So isolate பண்ணி அதை purify பண்ற process ஆன் கேட்டிருக்காங்க, and it's usually made for the purification of specific fragments. Agarose is convenient for the separating of DNA fragments. So இது agarose-ல வந்த இந்த particular agarose electrophoresis-ல என்ன பண்றோம்? Purification process பண்றோம். இந்த evidence state board la biotechnology book la நீங்க பார்க்கலாம். And here you can see the purification of isolated proteins which is not comes under the list of the application of PCR. So option 4 is the right answer. We'll move on to the 130 question. So the match list 1 with the list 2, and cells with active cell division and vascular tissues and tissue having all cells similars and meristematic tissue and tissues having different types of cells with scleroids and dead cells are highly thickened with the walls and narrow lumen is simple tissue. And idhula options கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So now we'll move on to இந்த questions வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா the tissue and tissue system la பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த particular chapter கான எல்லா informationsமே answers you can see. Vascular tissue னா என்னன்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, vascular bundles என்ற region, xylem and phloem is acting as a transportation tubes in plant system இல்லையா. So அந்த vascular bundles ஓட information கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. And you can see the different types of meristems. What are all the meristems? The lateral apical meristem, intercalary meristem, lateral meristem. There is all the types of meristem where you can see the rapid cell division. A cell which ஒரு particular cellக்கு divide ஆகிற ability, அதிகமா divide ஆகிற ability இருந்ததுன்னா அதுதான் meristem cells. அது ஒரு tissue form பண்ணி growth conduct பண்ணும். And here you can see the types of scleroid cells is also located over here. So in the evidence எல்லாமே இந்த questions என்ன இருக்கு present ஆயிருக்கு. You can see the vascular tissues, meristematic tissues, scleroids and simple tissues. So these are all the evidence. This is also located inside of a state board syllabus. So option 2 is the right answer. The meristematic tissue, simple tissue, vascular tissue, scleroids, which are all here you can see, right? So we'll move on to the 131 question. A typical angiosperm embryo sac at maturity is embryo sac which located inside of a ovary. Ovary kulla present aayirukra embryo sac which is responsible for the creation of new plant இல்லையா, sexual reproduction flowering plants la. And இது வந்து embryo sac la எத்தனை types of nucleated and cell இருக்குன்றத கேட்டிருக்காங்க. இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா அந்த typical angiosperm னை மென்ஷன் பண்றாங்க because it's a flowering plants information. So 8 nucleated and 8 celled, 8 nucleated and 7 celled, and 7 nucleated and 8 celled, and 7 nucleated and 7 celled ன்றத நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். இதுக்கு பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா you can see the evidence present inside of it. So this where we can talk about, so the filiform apparatus இங்க locate ஆயிருக்கு. Synergid cells you can see, and egg apparatus, egg is located over here. The polar nuclei, antipodal cells. So polar nucleus, antipodal cells, egg synergid cells. So இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா you can see they are present with a 7 celled and 8 nuclei embryo sac. The sentence itself present inside of a state board book இல்லைங்களா. So the option is 8 nucleated, 7 cell. So this is the answer. Option 2 is the right answer. We'll move on to the next question, which is 132, which for the algae contains a mannitol as a resort food material. Mannitol and the resort food material of a plant groups present ஆயிருக்கு. அதுலயும் algae groupsல அது Eunothryxa, Ectocoppus, Chrysalis, Volvoxa. இதுக்கு கூட பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா you can see the Thyophysia which comes into the list of brown algae ல வர ஒரு particular notes you can see in the state board syllabus. So where we can talk about the Ectocoppus over here. So Thallus is a filamentous, is Ectocoppus, a frond like Dictotia, where we can talk about it belongs to the ground algae. So idhula vandu pathina mannitol is the resort food material of all these types of, you can see the brown algae, the Thyophysia groups of brown algae plants. The evidence present inside of a state book illingla. So option 2 Ectocoppus is the right answer. Now we'll move on to the 133 question. Genera like Selaginella and Salvinia produce two kinds of spores. Such plants are known as, so Selaginella, Salvinia, in the ரெண்டு பிளான்ட்டுமே ரெண்டு டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஸ்போர்ஸ் ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுது ரீப்ரொடக்ஷன் ப்ராசஸ்லன்னு சொல்றாங்க. அந்த டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஆப்ஷன்ஸ்க்கு என்ன, அந்த மோட் ஆஃப் ஆக்ஷன்ஸ்க்கு என்ன பாத்தீங்கன்னா Heterosporosa, Homosporosa, Heterosaurus or Homosaurus. So in the types of information now we're going to talk about it. In the evidence பாத்தீங்கன்னா you can see example Selaginella. So Selaginella இங்க present ஆயிருக்கு இல்லைங்களா. So the Selaginella there may be two Homosporous produce one type of species. Lycopodium is example for that, or Heterosporus. Heterosporus can example கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, Selaginella is example. So what is exactly the right answer? Heterosporous types of plants can easily produced by the Selaginella plant. So the Heterosporus, which is actually the first option, is the right answer. Now we'll move on to the question number 134. The mutation in plant cells can be induced. So ஒரு plant cells la mutation எப்படி induce ஆகுது? Xanthine, kinetin, infrared rays and gamma rays. So mutation process எப்படி இன்டியூஸ் ஆகுதுன்றதை பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ காமா ரேஸ் மூலமா மியூட்டேஷன் இன்டியூஸ் ஆகுதுன்றது ரேடியேஷன் டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸ் மூலமா நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். ஸோ அயனைசிங் ரேடியேஷன் மூலமாகவும் we can see the short wavelength carry the high energy இல்லையா. ஸோ அந்த high எனர்ஜியால என்ன பண்ணும், செல்ஸ்குள்ள பெனிட்ரேட் ஆகி you can see they are creating a damage to the sequence of a DNA where it's caused mutation. So the chromosomal types of mutations la வரதுனால you can see this particular information is also present inside of the state book. So gamma rays fourth option is the right answer. Now we'll move on to the Amancylosum can be represented as, so species A plus, species BO, and these are all the options you can see, species A minus, species O plus, species minus, species minus. So in the particular information Amancylosum அப்படினா என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாம். So principles of ecology you can see this part of information. Amancylosum present ஆயிருக்குங்களா. So இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா you can see the minus and you can see this result, and harmful for one but the other species are unaffected. ஒரு particular ஸ்பீஷிஸ்க்கு அது harmful-ஆ இருக்கும் அந்த ஒரு particular process of amensalism ecosystem level of informationsல அந்த processல and ஒரு affection ஒரு particular species என்ன ஆகுவாங்க unaffected-ஆ இருப்பாங்க so ஒருத்தருக்கு harmful ஆகும் இன்னொருத்தருக்கு unaffected-ஆ இருப்பாங்க அது amensalism region so this is also present inside of a state board book you can see the different interaction of the plant region where we can talk about it in the principles of ecology vegetation எப்படி classify பண்றாங்க ecology level அதுல உங்களுக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா you can see the principles of ecology and ecosystemல நீங்க பார்க்கலாம் so amensalism is a types of biological interaction associated with the different species where adversely affected others stays and unaffected so this option 2 is the right answer. Now we'll move on to the question number 136. So what is the role of RNA polymerase 3 in a process of transcription in eukaryotes? So in the eukaryotes types of transcription process la role of RNA polymerase 3 oda work enna அப்படின்றது கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So the role of polymerase R3 பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா you can see the option transcripts tRNA அதாவது transfer RNA and 5 subunit of rRNA, ribosomal RNA and snRNA, you can see that. So this transcribe பண்ற இந்த ஒரு particular RNA, option 3 is the right answer. So you already aware of it, what is the transcription process where it's going to create the proteins இல்லையா? So the eukaryotes la RNA polymerase 3 ஓட function இது அப்படின்றத mention பண்ணிருக்காங்க. And we're going to see the next question which is 137. So loose parenchyma cells and rupturing epidermis and forming a lens-shaped opening in bark and spongy parenchyma information. Large colorless empty cells in the epidermis of grace leaves and subsidiary cells and dicot leaves la vascular bundles are surrounded by the large thick walled conjunctive tissue கொடுத்திருக்காங்க and cells of medullary rays that form from the part of cambial ring and interfascicular ganglion. So the interfascicular ganglion regions, okay, so now we're going to talk about it. So in the particular reason you can see the dicot stem during the intrastellar secondary growth create agarappo I mean the dicot types of plant stem la two types of cambia are formed which is stripe of cambia forms between the xylem and phloem vascular bundle is called as intrafascicular cambium so xylem and phloem ku stripe of cambium formed between the xylem and phloem region xylem ku phloem ku naduvula ஒரு cambium create ஆகுது அதுதான் என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா vascular bundle la intrafascicular cambium சொல்றாங்க and another type of cambium is also formed between the circular bundles for the dedifferentiation process so dedifferentiation process na enna பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா you can see the medullary rays is called as interfascicular cambium so vascular cambium where we can see the both intra and intrafascicular cambium are joined together to form a ring cambium region so option 4 is the right answer where the cells of medullary rays that form the cambial ring which is interfascicular cambium so in the particular correct pair option 4 now we'll move on to the question number 138 so plasmid of PBR32 as a pistil restriction enzyme site within gene of amplification that confers the ampicillin resistant if this enzyme is used for the inserting gene for beta galactozoid production and the recombinant plasmid is inserted into the E. coli strain so idhula vandu pathina you can see the options over here it will be able to produce a novel protein with a dual ability oru pudu protein create பண்ணுதா அப்படின்றது first option ampicillin resistance host cell க்கு இது create பண்ணலன்றது second option and transformed cells will have the ability for resistant ampicillin resist create ஆகுதா transformed cells க்கு to produce the beta galactozoid அந்த option it will lead to the lysis of the host cell so what is exactly we're going to see some evidence that is also located inside of a biotechnology chapter so the plasmid DNA you can see the exactly the same structure over here right so idhula vandu pathina ampicillin resistant gene is also located over here you can see this so ampicillin resistant gene oda work enna அப்படின்றத இங்க மென்ஷன் பண்ணிருக்காங்க so idhula vandu pathina இந்த ஒரு enzyme அதாவது என்ன enzyme pistil restriction enzyme வந்து இந்த enzyme inserting for gene for a galactozoid la பண்ணா production பண்ற அந்த ஒரு recombinant plasmid inserted of E. coli strain la என்னவா produce ஆகும் dual ability ஓட novel protein create பண்ணுமா இல்ல ampicillin resistance இருக்காதா இல்ல ampicillin resistant produce பண்ணுமா galactozoid and cell வந்து lysis ஆயிடுமா so now we'll going to talk about it the function of beta galactose gene can be restored once the plasmid has been incorporated into the bacterium so restored agarudanaala you can see it will not able to produce the conferred ampicillin resistant of the host cell ampicillin resistance create panna the host cell because it is not able to confer the ampicillin because where we can talk about the pistil restriction enzyme site within gene amplifier RNA confers the ampicillin resistance in the enzyme beta galactozoid gene oda production panna so that is the option where we can talk about the option 2 is the right answer The 139 question, now we're going to talk about it. DNA fingerprinting involves identifying differences in a specific regions in a DNA sequence called. So specific regions of the DNA sequence la fingerprinting process edula nadakudun kekranga. Polymorphic, satellite, repetitive or single nucleotide species. So single nucleotide work. So here you can see the DNA fingerprinting technique 5.15 unit where we can talk about in the molecular genetics information. So in the repetitive sequence moolamada you can see the DNA fingerprints all works. So repetitive sequence, and the repetitive sequence first developed by Alex Jeffries in 1985. So in the repetitive sequence classify pannirukanga. Based on that the nucleotides or sequences are called as variable number tandem repeat, which are V and TR. So the V and TRs are 2% genetically show variations useful for genetic markers. So idhula வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா repetitive types of information, repeated sequence தான் என்ன பண்றாங்க DNA fingerprint technique யூஸ் பண்றாங்க. So the repetitive DNA option 3 is the right answer. So question number 140, in the exponential growth equation nt is equal to n naught e or t square, which is e represents. So the base of geometric logarithm e வந்து இதல எதல represent பண்றாங்க geometric base and base of number of logarithm and base of exponential logarithms and base of natural logarithms. So இதல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா you can see the when the resource in the habitat unlimited, each species has the ability to realize fully innate potential to grow in number. So Darwin observed this developing this theories of natural selection. So in the population grows in exponential growth, exponential phases la grow agarala, exponential growth can be represented by the equation as nt is equal to nz ert. So idhula vandu pathina e edukku represent aayirukku base of natural algorithms. So what is exactly the base of natural algorithm? Option 4 is the right answer. Now we'll move on to the 141 question, the statement which is not incorrect. So cyclic phosphorylations la PS1 PS2 ரெண்டுமே இன்வால்வ் ஆயிருக்கா? இது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட். ATP NADPH plus are synthesized during the non-cyclic phosphorylations la create ஆகுறாங்க. Stromal lamella PS1 only and lack NADP reductase enzyme lack ஆயிருக்குன்றாங்க. And granular lamella have both PS1 PS2 ன்னு சொல்றாங்க. So இதுல incorrect statement எப்படின்றத நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். So இதுக்கான evidence பாத்தீங்கன்னா you can see the cyclic phosphorylation is always located over here. So cyclic phosphorylations you can see the PS1 is here, PS1 மட்டும்தான் இதுல என்ன இருக்கு, P700 nanometer size is involved in that. So cyclic phosphorylation where we can talk about the figure 13.13 in the textbook la present ஆயிருக்கு. So நீங்க அதை check பண்ணிக்கலாம். So here you can see the plastoquinone, cytochrome, these are all the complex where it's acting as a electron carriers. So these are all the informations where the first option is cyclic phosphorylation involves both PS1 and PS2, but in the evidence clearly mentioned cyclic phosphorylation involved only in the PS1. So this clearly information gives you the option 1 is the right answer. So 142, the which of the following statement is incorrect? Idhiliyum edu incorrect appdin ketirukanga. Some of the organism can fix atmospheric nitrogen in specialized cells, shed cells and carrier gamete, and fusion of protoplasm between two motile and non-motile gametes is called plasmogamy. An organism that depend on its living plants are called as saprophytes. So in the all options la edu correct on options ketirukanga. So now the plasmogamy is a stage where the sexual reproduction of fungi la create agra or work. Adula da pathina cytoplasm of two motile or non-motile parents enavagum fuse together without the fusion of nuclei fuse agadu, but cytoplasm mattum fuse agum. So in the effect of bringing two haploid nuclei which is single end nuclei, yeah, one set of chromosomes, so close together in the same cell. So option 3, which is the fusion of protoplasm between the two motile and non-motile gametes, is called as plasmogamy in fungal region, which is actually the correct option in this question. So here 143 question, now we're going to talk about it. The nitrococcus denitrification rhizobium in the column 1 column 2 match பண்ணனும். Nitrococcus denitrification, rhizobium conversion of ammonia to nitrate, and thiobacillus conversion of nitrate to nitrate, and the nitrobacter conversion of atmospheric nitrogen to ammonia. So the choose the correct answer in the ஒரு particularly எது கரெக்டான ஆப்ஷன்றது நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். So the nitrococcus converts ammonia to nitrates, nitrococcus converts the nitrates to the nitrates region, and denitrification process is also being done with the molecular nitrogen region where it's getting reduced, the including what? thiobacillus. And here the nitrogen fixation is also process where the atmospheric nitrogen is being converted. Atmosphere la irukra nitrogen convert panni ammonium components என்ன பண்றாங்க compounds create பண்றாங்க. So that is, these are all the functions taking place inside of where we can talk about the nitrogen fixation process in the plant system of the root areas. So these are all the bacteria which is play important role. This is how exactly their individuals எப்படி அதை play பண்றாங்கன்றத information. So option 2 is the right answer, and we have seen what is exactly the explanation for that. So now 144 question which is not incorrect. So incorrect இருக்கிற அந்த particular statement எதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். Oxidation reduction produce proton gradient in respiration, and during aerobic respiration in the presence of oxygen respirations la oxygen என்ன பண்ணுது terminal state வரைக்கும் limited ஆ இருக்கும் அப்படின்றாங்க. Electron transport chain la NADPH give rise to 2 ATP molecules and FADPH give rise to 3 ATP molecules and 1 molecule of NADPH and 1 molecule of FADPH, and ATP synthesized ஆகுது through complex V. இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா எந்த சென்டென்ஸ் வந்து incorrect அப்படினு கேக்குறாங்க. So இந்த ஒரு particular informations பாத்தீங்கன்னா oxidation of 1 molecule of NADPH gives rise to 3 molecules of ATP, and that 1 molecule of FADPH gives rise to 2 molecules of ATP. So the 2 molecules 3 molecules இங்க present ஆயிருக்கு இல்லையா. So இங்க வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா அது என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க, answers wrong ah kuduthirukanga. So here you can see the which of the following statement is incorrect. So option 3 where we can talk about the 2 ATP molecules and 3 ATP molecules. Actually the incorrect statement, the correct another, the NADPH gives rise to 3 molecules of ATP and 2 molecules of ATP created by the FADPH. So the option 3 is the right answer. Now we'll move on to the 145th question. In some members of the which following pairs of families pollen grains retain their viability for a month after release. ஒரு மேல் reproductive organல இருந்து pollen grains release ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறமா கூட retain பண்ணும் viability of the pollen grains. அது எந்த types of pairs of families ல நடக்கும் அப்படினு சொல்லி கேட்டிருக்காங்க. இதுல Rosaceae legumineae, Poaceae rosaceae, Poaceae legumineae and Poaceae solanaceae. So இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா you can see the some members of the Rosaceae legumineae solanaceae pollen grains maintain the viability for a month due to the sporophyllin structure. Sporophyllin structures you can see inside of the pollen grains formations. The pollen grains la end and extend and sporophyllin structures present ஆயிருக்கும். So என்ன types of information? Rosaceae legumineae types of pair. Option 1 is the right answer. Now we'll move on to the 146th question. So identify the correct statement. இதுல correct statement எதுன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Split gene arrangement and characteristics of the prokaryotes, and capping and methyl guanosine triphosphate is added to the 3' prime end of the hnRNA. Okay, and RNA polymerase binds with the RHO factor to terminate the process of the transcription in bacteria, and the coding strand and transcription unit is copied to the mRNA. So இந்த நாலு ஆப்ஷன்ஸ்ல கரெக்ட் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் எதுன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா E. coli protein RHO is required for the factor dependent on transcription. So RHO protein is required in the E. coli where the termination by RNA polymerase is essential. So the viability of the cell maintain பண்ணுன்றதுனால RHO factor is required for the transcription process to the termination process. So idhula correct statement another, you can see option 3 is the right answer where RNA polymerase binds with the RHO factor to terminate the process of transcription in bacteria. Now we'll move on to the 47th question. So in the 47th question you can see the match the column 1 with the column 2. So இது இங்க இருக்குறது எல்லாமே வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா floral formula and இது அதோட families. So இதுல கரெக்டான ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் எதுன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So here you can see the Fabaceae types of family and Solanaceae types of family. Other descriptions you can see the structures over here. The bisexual calyx 5 sepals and corolla 5 petals and androecium 10 stamens present ஆயிருக்கு. Gynoecium monocarpal single carpal regions are present ஆயிருக்கு. Superior present ஆயிருக்கு. Yeah, that is also been Fabaceae. In Solanaceae you can see the bisexual plant, the calyx 5 sepals and corolla 5 petals and androecium 5 stamens which is superior ovary united. String carpels are present ஆயிருக்கு. ரெண்டு விதமான carpal structures you can see in the gynoecium structure, and that is you can see the Liliaceae formula you can be the bracteate actinophobic. Actinophobic means what? Radial symmetry. Flowers நீங்க எடுத்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா radial உங்களுக்கு வந்து you can divide them into symmetry symmetrical structures. So bisexual plant and perianth 6 sepals present ஆயிருக்கு. So gametophyte united present ஆயிருக்காங்க. Androecium வந்து male reproductive organ which is 6 stamens, and gynoecium where the tricarpellary which is syncopas as well as the superior ovary. And Brassicaceae, you can see the formula over here, the actinomorphic radial symmetry, and sepals 4, petals 4, stamens 6, where we can talk about the 2 lateral stamens are smaller and the 4 median stamens are larger. In the particular informations, இது எல்லாமே வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா Brassicaceae, Liliaceae, Solanaceae, Fabaceae ஓட கரெக்டான ஆப்ஷன் எந்த ஆப்ஷன்ஸ்ல இது லொகேட் ஆயிருக்கு அப்படின்றத நம்ம செக் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஆப்ஷன் 2 is the right answer. So option 2 which gives you the clear information. So this is the area, so it's correct connected with the perfect Brassicaceae, Liliaceae, Fabaceae, Solanaceae information. Now we'll move on to the 148 question. Match list 1 with a list 2. So proteins which is CC double bonds, and unsaturated fatty acids which phosphodiester bonds, and nucleic acids glycosidic bonds, and polysaccharide and peptic bonds. In the particular structures edu appdin pathinga appadina, you can see the DNA structure. So the DNA structures la pathinga, you can see option 2 is the right answer. Proteins வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா இதுல வந்து peptide bonds. இந்த peptide bonds ல என்ன பண்ணும்? Proteins are created. The amino acids are created and accumulated, joined by the polypeptide bonds. And here the unsaturated fatty acids are carbon double bond informations la present ஆயிருக்கும். And nucleic acids are where we can see the phosphodiester bond. Phosphoric and sugar phosphate molecules are connected with the phosphodiester bond. Towards that, the nucleosides எல்லாமே ஒண்ணா create ஆயிருக்கும், nucleotides. So this polysaccharides which is glycosidic bonds மூலமா create ஆயிருக்கும். So option 2 is the right answer. Now we'll move on to the question number 149. So match list 1 with a list 2. The S phase, proteins are synthesized. G2 phase, inactive phase. And quiescent stage, interval between the mitosis, initiation of DNA replication. And G1 phase and DNA replication. So indila vandu pathina endha match list 1 list 2 oda match agudundradha check பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So இதுல option 4 is the right answer. So option 4 is the right answer. So S phase ல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா DNA replication create ஆகும். Synthetic phase, new types of information will be created. The genetic materials of the parental cells will be created undergoing for the replication process. And G2 phase where we can talk about the proteins are getting synthesized. And cognizant stage ல வந்து inactive phase cell இருக்கும். And G1 phase ல interval between the mitosis and initiation replication information. So the option 4 is the right answer. So now we're going to talk about the final question which is 150 in the botany 2020 NEET answer key discussion. And nowadays it's possible to detect the mutation gene causing cancer by allowing radioactive probe to hybridize its complementary DNA in a clone of cells. So clone of cells la cells clone பண்றப்போ காம்ப்ளிமெண்டரி DNA என்ன பண்றாங்க? ஹைபிரிடைஸ் பண்றாங்க. எதை யூஸ் பண்ணி? ரேடியோ ஆக்டிவ் ப்ரோப் யூஸ் பண்ணி. எதுக்கு? கேன்சரஸ் மியூட்டேஷன் ஜீனை டிடெக்ட் பண்றதுக்கு. ஸோ இந்த ஒரு பர்டிகுலர் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸ்ல ஆட்டோ ரேடியோகிராஃபி டிடெக்ட் பண்றது எது அப்படின்னு எதனாலும் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. பிகாஸ் ஸோ த mutated genes doesn't appear on photographic film as a probe or a complementary with it, and mutated genes partially appears on a photographic film. So mutated gene completed and completely clearly appears on a photographic film. So a mutated gene doesn't appear on a photographic film as a probe as a complementary with it. So idhula option edun pathinga appadina, you can see a single strand of DNA or RNA tagged with the radioactive molecules that called as probe. So in the probe enna pannum? Hybridize pannum complementary DNA va clone cells followed by the detection of using autoradiography. So autoradiography la pathinga appadina, you can see the photographic film, you can see this gene, mutated gene vandu appear aayirukadu. Ena the probe will not have the complementary with the mutated gene. So that is the reason. So option 4 is the right answer. So with that students, we have completed 50 questions, 1 to 150. And now we're going to talk about the overview, how exactly 12th state board botany chapters la number of questions, plant kingdom வந்து 3 கேட்டிருக்காங்க, ecosystem ecology ல இருந்து 3 questions, and photosynthesis ல இருந்து 2 questions, and reproductive morphology 1, biotechnology 3, and principles of inheritance variation 1, and tissue and tissue system 2, and asexual sexual reproduction plants ல இருந்து 2 கேட்டிருக்காங்க, and cell cycle ல இருந்து ஒரு question, molecular genetics ல இருந்து 5 questions, and population organisms 1 and cell cycle 1 and transport and plants chapter la irundhu oru question கேட்டிருக்காங்க and biomolecules and 1 and classical genetics la irundhu one கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So the 12th state board botany chapters la irundhu உங்களுக்கு டோட்டலா 28 questions evidence இருக்கு. NEET questions will also be come answers அதுல கூட இருக்கும்ன்றத பார்க்கலாம். So from this types of information, so we come to the end of the session. So we'll see in the next session. Thank you, students.